What's going on, everyone? I hope you're having a good day. I wanted to do my take on Maker Muse 3D printing on YouTube questions. So I hope you enjoy. So, when did I hear about 3D printing? I started printing back in 2012 in my high school electronics class. We had one of those MakerBot replicators. I think it was the X2 one, the one with two extruders. And my friend and I used to just bug the heck out of our teacher to use it, but they never wanted to put in the time to figure out how to use it or anything like that. So I ended up taking it upon myself, and we got it working, and I printed out a couple things, and yeah, it worked out for us. The first thing that I ever printed was this little wireframe gnome, and even to this day, I remember once I started that print, I didn't take my eyes off it the entire class. And I'm so glad that I can hold something like that in my hand. It's definitely a piece of history for me. Do I view 3D printing as a hobby or a tool? To me, 3D printing is both a hobby and a tool. Because I enjoy upgrading, taking them apart and building them, and just doing anything to them, really. Using 3D printing as a hobby has really expanded my knowledge of the workings of the 3D printers, and it's taken me to places that I could have never imagined. To being able to troubleshoot problems from past experience is so rewarding. On the other hand, having a printer that you can just send a print to and 99% of the time it works is something that I would really like to experience. All right, this is a hot take for sure. What is the best 3D printer? I think it's the Ender 3. Because it is a simple machine that you can learn how to fix most of the issues that are going to come up in 3D printing. And I recently just built a printer from the ground up, and if I hadn't taken apart my Ender and rebuilt it and upgraded it and etc., I don't think I would have been able to build it the way I did and have an enjoyable process doing it. What is my number one tip for beginners? So my number one tip for beginners is to push past your comfort zone. Every time I've gone to upgrade my printer, I've had to say, what's the worst that could happen? Because once I take it apart, that's my only printer. So I've got to fix it, or I'm not going to be able to print anything to fix it. So I have to methodically go through and say, okay, these are the parts I need, print them before, and then take it apart. And yeah, it's bit me in the butt a couple of times, but we've always gotten through it and ended up getting it working. So those are my answers for the questions, but obviously that's just my opinion, and I would love to hear what you guys think and critique what I have to say. I hope this has been insightful. Thank you for sticking to the end, and I look forward to hearing from you. That's it. And like and subscribe. More videos coming soon. I'm hoping to post 2 or 3 times a week. So if you have an idea for a video, let me know and I'll add it to the list.